Look at the steps you have taken to get where you are right now. Those steps count. Sometimes the steps take us in different directions, slow us down to where it seems like a stop. But the steps we take can't ever really take us backwards. Because when you think about it, with each one, we have more knowledge and know-how, more insight and experience than we did the step before. With each step we take, it keeps us moving. The best thing we can try to do is focus those steps on where we want to be and the destination we want to reach. Or not to worry, to keep moving and let those steps continue to take you forward. 2022 has been a slower year for the channel than I wanted. It's been a year of adjustment and it's taken most of that time to get used to some of those changes. Last year got off to a strong start with Simply Create's content frequency, focus, ideas and projects. However, with an exciting change of my work situation and taking on some large projects, this slowed some of my channel's progress. But I continued to learn, grow and refine. The ideas keep on coming and I continue to read, research and learn, all in preparation for some of the things I've got planned for in the future. But let's talk about what's to come and what you can expect in 2023. I've heard about the 1% compound theory a few times from different sources before, but most recently by Chris Do, who did a really great post about it, which simply means if you do a little bit more each day consistently throughout the year, just 1%, you'll have 37 times better results. And so I decided to start this year by testing this on 4 main areas: fitness, hydration, reading and writing. Working on each one of these every day. This will start by small but regular workouts, increasing my intake of H2O, reading more and more, so less TV, book recommendations are welcome, and writing daily for a certain amount of time. Now, I hope this isn't too much of a stretch, but I really do think this could lead to a much improved lifestyle and better productivity. In 2022, I only posted 10 videos. Now, that's not including your short form videos, your reels, your TikToks, or your shorts. But it was poor and I'd planned for more. So it was back to the drawing board, and this coming year, I've planned to more than double that. The type of videos that you can expect is something new, something that will keep you updated on the latest short form videos, your reels, your TikToks, and your shorts. And this will be called the Short Form Video Report, which I hope to put out every other week. There will, of course, be more tutorials, but I'll also be producing more creative experimentation and creative support videos. There are so many potential platforms to create content for, but my main focus is going to be on YouTube. But with any short form videos that I create also being shared on Shorts, IG Reels and TikTok. The goal, I'd love 2023 to be the year that I get to 10,000 subscribers and 1 million views on my channel. So I'll put in the work and see if I can make that happen. Just by watching, you're helping, and if you're subscribed, you're helping even more, so thank you. And of course, I'm always open to suggestions on any videos that you want to see me create. Part of my creative experimentation will be a brand new project I'll be playing around with throughout 2023. From a young age, I've always enjoyed building and creating, and this is something I've grown to appreciate even more as an adult. So I'm introducing Lego into some of my short form video projects. I'm just a big kid, really. I think there are so many creative and useful and interesting ways that Lego can be used, and it's also great fun. So I'm looking forward to exploring some of my ideas and introducing Lego into my videos. So keep an eye out for those. Before things changed last year, I was so close to releasing my first product. A lot of the groundwork has been done. However, the short form video planner now needs to be updated as a lot of the platforms have moved on. But this year you can expect to see a version 2.0 of the short form video planner, an updated website and a newsletter. So what is your next step? Keep taking those steps forwards, even the tiny little ones, because striving to be better should never stop. I wish you a great year. I'm Ray. This is Simply Create. Thank you for watching. Peace.